10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everybody. Good evening to all of you. We are studying chapter number 13, surface area and volume. Yesterday we have discussed about cubical and cuboidal surface area of cubical and cuboidal, and we have also solved some examples of exercise number 13.1. Okay, let us start today with this point: surface area of a right circular cylinder. So, curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to area of the rectangular sheet and area of the rectangular sheet, that means length into breadth. But length is nothing but perimeter of the base of the cylinder, and breadth is the height. So perimeter, we know very well that perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, where pi r is radius of that circle, into h is the height of the cylinder. So therefore curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi rh, where r is the radius of the base of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. But remark here, in the case of a cylinder, unless stated otherwise, radius of a cylinder shall mean base radius of the cylinder. So, if the top and the bottom of the cylinder are also to be covered, then we need two circles, in fact circular region. To do that, each of radius r and thus having an area of pi r square each. So giving us the total surface area of the cylinder, which is close at the top and the bottom. So is total surface area as 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r is common out, 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. So total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h, where h is the height of the cylinder and r is its radius. Now let us solve some examples of exercise number 13.2. Okay, example number first. the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeters square. So find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So we have given here area 88 centimeter square surface area, and height is also given 14 centimeter. So given height h of cylinder is equal to 14 centimeter and curved surface area of cylinder is 88 centimeters square. Okay, let us consider the diameter of the cylinder. BD. So 2 pi RH is equal to 88 centimeters square, where R is the radius of the base of cylinder. So hence pi dh is equal to, here pi h remaining same, but instead of 2r, 2r is radius, so here we take d. So pi dh is equal to 88 centimeters square. So because we take d is equal to 2r. So pi is 22 by 7 into d into h is 14 is equal to 88 centimeter square, and therefore we have d is equal to 2 centimeter. So the diameter of the cylinder is 2 centimeter. Now see example number 2. It is required to make a closed cylinder tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? So here the cylinder is closed. Height is 1 meter. Now see solution. Given height h of cylinder tank is equal to 1 meter. Base radius of cylindrical tank is equal to 140 by 2 centimeter is equal to 70 centimeter. Convert it into meter, so 0.7 meter. Now we know that area of the sheet required is equal to total surface area of this cylindrical tank is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h, because the cylindrical tank is closed from both sides. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7, r is 0.7, r plus h is equal to 0.7 plus 1. So 4.4 into 1.7 meter square. So we have 7.48 meter square. Hence it will require 7.48 meter square sheet to making the cylindrical tank. Okay, next example number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Now find its. So three questions. First one is inner curved surface area. Second one is outer curved surface area. And third one is total surface area. So given inner radius R1, say it is R1. So R1 diameter is 4. So R1 is equal to 4 by 2 centimeter is equal to 2 centimeter. Outer radius, say it is R2. So diameter is 4.4 centimeter outer diameter. So 4.4 divided by 2 is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Now length of the cylindrical pipe is 77 centimeter. So CSA of inner surface area of the pipe is equal to 2 pi R1 plus R1 into H. So 2 into R pi 22 by 7. R1 is 2, H is 77. So is equal to 968 centimeters square. Now CSA of outer surface area, outer surface of pipe is equal to 2 pi, outer radius is R2, so 2 pi R2H. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 R2 into 77 is height, centimeter square. So is equal to 1064.8 centimeter square. So total surface area is equal to CSA of inner surface plus CSA of outer surface plus area of both circular ends of the pipe. So inner surface is inner surface is 968 centimeters square. Outer surface is 1064.8 centimeters square. And area of both circular ends of pipe. So 2 pi R2 square minus R1 square. So 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 pi into R2 square is 2.2 square minus R1 square is 2 square centimeter square. So the simplification gives us 2038.08 centimeters square is the total surface area of the pipe. Now next example, the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. So now solution. So it is clear that a roller is cylindrical. So given height h of cylindrical roller is equal to length of the roller. So length is given 120 centimeter. Radius r of the circular end of roller is diameter is 84. So radius is 84 by 2 centimeter is equal to 42 centimeter. Now area CSA. If CSA of roller is equal to 2 pi RH is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 120 centimeter square. So we have the final surface area CSA 31,680 centimeters square. Now area of field. So it is 500 times because it takes complete 500 revolutions. So 500 into CSA of roller. So 500 into 31,680 centimeters square. Okay. So we have 1584000, but convert it into centimeters square to meters square. So it is 1584 meter square, because 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeters square. Now example number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. So diameter is given 50 centimeter. So find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So first we have to find out the total surface area. So CSA curved surface area, given height of cylindrical pillar is 3.5 meter, radius r of the circular end of pillar is 50 by 2 is equal to 24 centimeter. Convert it into meters, so it is 0.25 meter. Now curved surface area CSA of pillar is equal to 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7 into R 0.25 into H 3.5 meter square is equal to 44 into 0.125 meter square and is equal to 5.5 meter square. Okay, now cost of painting 1 meter square area is equal to 12.50 rupees. Therefore, cost of painting 5.5 meter square area is equal to 5.5 into 12.50 rupees. So is equal to 68.75. Hence, the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar is 68.75 rupees. Okay, so now next point, surface area of a right circular cone. So curved surface area of a cone is equal to 1/2 into L into 2 pi r. So L is the length. So is equal to pi r L, where R is its base radius and L is its length height. So note that L square is equal to R square plus S square by applying Pythagoras theorem. Here h is the height of the cone. So therefore L is equal to in under root R square plus S square. Now if the base of the cone is to be closed, then the circular piece of paper of radius r is also required, whose area is pi r square. So the total surface area of a cone is pi rl, and plus moreover the circular area of the base of the cone is pi r square. So pi r is common out into bracket L plus R. Okay, now let us see and solve some examples of 13.3. Example number first. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and slant height. So slant height is given. Slant height is L is 10 centimeter. So find its curved surface area. Only curved surface area. So given diameter of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. Hence radius of the cone is R is equal to 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Slant height of the cone so is L is equal to 10 centimeter. So hence curved surface area of the cone, in short we say it's CSA, is pi RL. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 into R is 5.25 into L is 10. So is equal to 165 centimeters square. So the CSA of the given cone is 165 centimeter square. Example number second. Find the total surface area of a cone if its length height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. So here also slant height is given, so L is given, but here we have to find the total surface area, not CSA but TSA. So given diameter of the cone is equal to 24 centimeter, hence radius of the cone R is equal to 24 by 2 meter. Diameter of its base is given in centimeter. So here is meter. See here it's given in meter. So R is equal to 12 meter and slant height of the cone L is equal to 21 meter. So total surface area is pi RL plus pi R square. So pi R is common out, 22 by 7 into 12 into bracket L plus R. So R is 12 and L is 21. So 22 by 7 into 12 into 33 is equal to 1244.57 meter square is the total surface area of the cone. Now example number third. Curved surface area of a cone is given 308 centimeters square and its slant height is given 14 centimeter. So first find radius of the base and second total surface area of the cone. So it's very easy. Let us see solution. Curved surface area CSA is given 308 centimeters square. Slant height of the cone is given L is equal to 14 centimeter. Curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. So pi RL is given 308 but is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into R. So its gives us R is equal to 308 divided by 44 centimeter. Hence the radius of the page is 7 centimeter. Now second one, total surface area of the cone. So total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of the base. Curved surface area is pi RL is given 308 plus pi r square. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 divided by r is equal to 7 square. So 308 plus 154 is equal to 462 centimeter square. So hence the total surface area of the cone is 462 centimeter square. Okay student, we will discuss about more examples of exercise number 13.3 to find out curved surface area and total surface area of the cone in our next period. So with this we are going to end of today's lecture and we will meet you on tomorrow or in our next period. Okay, till then, goodbye to all of you. Thank you.